Hello everyone and welcome to another newsletter here from Nordic Anglers. It's been a while and I'm sorry about that, but things has been pretty crazy and hectic here. We've moved the entire store to a new location and that took up quite some time. Today I'm going to show you some really exciting and cool new stuff. First of all I'm going to show you these. These are ring neck rump Hackle Patches, which are perfect for salmon flies, for coastal sea trout flies, for shrimps and all sorts of things. They're fairly inexpensive and the feathers here, these are from pheasant, are awesome for all types of hackles. So these are back in stock after have been sold out for approximately 2 years. So there's quite a big demand for these. So if you're in the market for some of these, I urge you to go and get some now, because they will probably, even though we got quite a bit of them, they will probably not last this week. So ring neck rump patches back in stock, finally. Awesome stuff.
While the getting is good.
Yeah, exactly, Stephen. Get some while the getting is good. As I said in another episode or whatever. The next thing is this one. This one is an awesome new fly rod that we've been looking so much forward to. This is a fly rod that's been designed here in Denmark by a very avid and cool guy whose name is Troels, who runs a company that's called Sea-Run. He has designed some fly rods in particular for coastal fishing, for sea trout fishing. These are called Salinity and they're available in 4, 5, 6 and 7 weights. They're designed to fish heavier fishing, like bigger streamers and stuff. So this is the 4 weight, and as you can see it has a full weight handle, it has a fight butt, and it has all the best components and strongest components ideal for saltwater fishing. So this is the first 4 weight I have seen ever in my entire life that is designed to fish coastal fishing, to fish for sea trout. And as you can see, this is my rod. You can probably see it already has quite a lot of taint from being fished a lot, and I simply just adore these. I bought this in a 4 weight and a 5 weight, and these are the most powerful 4 weight and 5 weight I have ever held in my hands. They are just awesome for casting shooting heads, for casting streamers, and these would be really powerful rods, great for fishing bigger brown trouts in rivers as well. I use this for fishing some night fishing in smaller rivers for big sea trouts as well, and it just handles even relatively big flies with ease and just perfectly suited for that type of stuff. So the Salinity fly rod is an excellent option and the best option out there, in particular in the lower classes for fishing for a very strong, very fast rod that just performs exceedingly well with shooting heads and windy conditions and to cast big flies into wind and stuff. So perfect also for big lakes. This would be ideally suited for that as well. Just designed from the bottom with this particular fishing in mind, and Troels has just done an excellent job with these. I'm really pleased with these, and these are fast becoming some of the best-selling rods in the store. So these are here to stay, and I urge you to check them out on Nordic Anglers. Of course, for a light 4-weight rod for the coastline, you need something light in regards to reel as well. And these are the 2 new Purest reels by Lamson that was just released as well. I have always been an avid fan of the Force reels and the Purest reels, and this is the Purest 2. It's available in 2 different sizes and 2 different colors. And this is the dark smoke one, and there's one called Whiskey as well, which is kind of a burnt orangey look that is awesome also. These are light reels. They don't have a brake per se. They have just this clicker here, but the clicker is fairly strong, so you will not have problems with the line getting tangled and stuff. And for a light tackle for let's say 2 to 5 weights fishing both, I'm going to use the big one on my Salinity 4 weight for the coastal fishing. But these are just really awesome, and the new design is great. And these are the lightest fly reels you can get your hands on. Absolutely amazing performance, absolutely amazing design, and I just like these so much that I got both. I got both the 3± and the 5± for my own personal fishing gear. So these are available as well. Awesome news, a reel that I've been looking forward to showing you for a long time, and for a long time Waterworks didn't have a Purist, and I could not understand why. Now they do again, and the Purist 2 is as cool as I hoped it would be. Lamson also just released this one. This is the new Hyperspeed. It has the strongest brake that they make, and then it has this really big diameter on the spool, making you, when you retrieve an insane amount of line with each turn. So this is basically it's only available in one size, which is the M8. I think it's designed probably for bonefish and pike and stuff like that. But also one-handed salmon, this reel would be really awesome for that type of fishing. Since it's only available in the M8, which suits a 7 or 8 weight rod, then it's that type of fishing it would be. I like the design a lot. I like the color scheme on this, and I think they will probably make this in more different sizes sooner or later. But the M8 is here to stay. The Hyperspeed also available at Nordic Anglers just now. Then we've also just added a ton of new beads to the fly tying section. These are brass beads, but brass beads that is available in fluorescent colors. So we have the orange, the fluor yellow, the fluor red and stuff. Perfect to fit all your different type of nymphs and small streamers and egg-sucking leech, for instance, and woolly buggers and whatnot. Available in 4 different sizes. So you can use this both for your really small nymphs, but also for your streamers. So now available are brass beads in fluorescent colors. The last thing I want to show you is actually not something that is new. I think I have shown this off in a video once before, but this is a limited edition item. And since we got the last ones that we will ever get, I just wanted to give you this final opportunity to see this and grab one while you still can. This is the Rossetti Master in the color olive. This is probably the best-selling master I ever had in the store, and it's quite obvious why. Because this olive color is probably, I think, the most beautiful of the limited custom colors I've seen. It just looks so awesome in this nice olive one. I have 3 or 4 left of these, and when they're gone, it's not going to be possible to get any of these. I quite often get some requests for buying one of the blue ones, which was also one of the limited one, or even the purple ones, which was also one of the limited one. But those are not available anymore, and there will never be any more of these. So this is a highly collectible and a very limited fly vise. The olive here is really cool looking, and as I said, I sold one yesterday, so if you're in the market for one of these, now is the time to get one, because they will be out of stock before you know it. Even the base here, which is something they haven't done for the other color as well, even the base here is olive and fits the rest of it. So in all ways, an awesome, very limited, very cool looking fly tying vise, the Master in olive. Well, I think that's it. The fishing here in Denmark just now is really good. There's a lot of sea trout fishing. There's a lot of salmon fishing. The coast is fishing quite well, and well, basically, this was just some of this new stuff that's entered the web shop recently, and some exciting and cool new stuff. In particular, this salinity rod here is absolutely out of this world. This has my highest recommendation. It casts and it fishes just awesome, and that you now are able to get a 4-weight rod with this level of power is just amazing. So Whatever you're fishing, wherever you're going, I wish you all the best of luck out on the water. And remember, you can get all of this stuff and all other things you would ever need for fly fishing at Nordic Anglers. Thank you for watching.